Hey Internet, today I'm going to show you how to use this channel effectively. I know some of you found my channel on Google or have found it on YouTube by searching tutorial questions. So you can pretty much just search what videos I've done by using Control F, and I will show you how to do that shortly. So some frequently asked questions. I mainly do thermodynamics for now. In the future, I will do other subjects. I'm doing robotics right now as well, but that's really hard, so I only do it sometimes. Okay, I get asked this quite a lot. The first 500 videos are designed for second and third year students with the expectation that you've mastered foundations and you're attempting this question. You just want to review your tutorials and check the process is correct. It is like a supplementary thing. Don't copy and paste. You can if you want, but you'll get probably a lower grade if you actually done it properly. So from 5-31 or the 531st video, I guess, I shift my teaching style towards high school and first year university students. So the videos become longer, slower, and things are just explained more. Just because I got an influx of that demographic, so that's why I'm changing my teaching style from just reading the answer to explaining everything painfully or painstakingly. Okay, so if you have a question, just post it in comments. I will try and reply within 24 hours or maybe 2 days, depending on when you post it. So if you post it in the midnight, maybe 24 hours, maybe a day and a half. Alright, so I get some haters sometimes. So there are thousands of engineering tutorials channels on YouTube. So if this channel's not for you, you can find another one, and I hope it suits your learning style. So all the best, no hard feelings. I get it. It's like you're struggling in engineering or whatever, and you're trying to look up stuff to find solutions to, but there's no channel that does it. But your one's kind of like, you have the right stuff, but it's not quite fitting. I get it. There's thousands of tutorial channels. You'll be fine. You'll be all good. Okay, playlist, video, and community post. So okay, we are recording. So this is my channel. So first up, we have playlist. So you can find the playlist here. I've got some real old school videos when I wasn't sure what direction my channel was gonna be. So thermodynamics, for example, if you just like click on it, it'll open up the playlist. You'll see every single video that I've posted there. Same with robotics and other ones. So yeah, cool. Easy, simple. Now for the video section, so we're talking about playlist, now we're talking about video section. So just press Control F if you're on Windows. So hold down Control and then press F. You'll have a search bar that appears on the bottom. So type in your first like 50 characters of your question, and you should be able to find it if I've posted it or not. So, or you can just type it in the search bar on top. That makes sense. Okay, and lastly we have community posts. So I also post the videos on community posts. So once again, you can use your search function and search it that way as well. So I post it on different areas so you can find it easily. So if the video section is way too long, you can check the community post as well. Alright, I mean, these are basic stuff that you already know how to do, but a lot of students ask me, have I done this video, that video? So you can just search it yourself. Just wanted to show you the areas where you can find it. Alright, and lastly, members section. There is nothing in the members section. It's there if you want to support me. Okay, so this will be uploaded on the intro section of my channel. So it will replace the this section. So it will replace the channel intro. It will just be there just to explain how my channel works, I guess. Alright, so yeah. Okay, so do the YouTube stuff, like and subscribe, and leave a comment if you want to. If you want to support the channel, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.